Hello dear friends, today I will show you how to quickly and easily join a community in Roblox. So you need to open Roblox, after which the main menu appears, and the second button is at the bottom right. Here we see a community and our friends with whom we can communicate. We go into the community button. Here is an arrow on the right. It redirects us to a menu where we see various communities. This is a community I am subscribed to. We click on more communities. They load and now we can search for the community we need, and we can also join any available community in this list. Let's join the monkey community. Open it. Click the three dots on the right. Click join. In the community. We are all in the community. Now we transitioning back, closed, moving into our community. Here we are in the Monkey Club community. Thank you, dear friends. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and let us know in the comments if it helped. Here is my way. See you soon.